This is my model, Luanne. I'm going to be doing a speeded up demo of a drawing and painting of her. When you see pauses in the drawing, it's where I would have stopped and taken a picture and brought it into an iPad app called Procreate to check the accuracy of my drawing before I went on. I stopped after the eyes and checked the accuracy, and then I stopped after the mouth and did the same thing. This is speeded up about 8 times. I do go in and rough up my lines, and now I begin with an underpainting of the shadow shapes. And I usually soften most of the edges. And in this case I'm using burnt sienna as my color for roughing in the shapes. I fill in the whites of the eyes usually with blue for a youngish person. Make sure to add some warmth to the nose. I just paint the entire eye a certain color, leaving a little bit for the highlight, and then go back in later and work on the iris. I mean the pupil. Make sure not to draw a line, the entire lash line, in a solid line. If you do, rough it out a little bit. And the eyebrows especially too, make sure they're nice and soft. I'm working on just a sketch pad here, so it's not going to dry very quickly. I'm not putting layers, I'm basically doing some direct painting here. Oh, there are a few layers. Using cobalt blue where I do blues on the face, alizarin crimson. Flesh color, I usually use a mixture of vermilion and Winsor yellow. Oh, and some purple on the chin and in the hair. Almost finished. Don't worry, it won't dry that extremely. I did add a few eyelashes. I tend to usually ignore them, but she has long eyelashes. Here's the finished product.